If you could step into a city where every building breathes like a giant leaf, you will feel the wind change your life. Imagine skyscrapers coated in green vines. Imagine roofs covered in solar panels shaped like petals. This is the work of environmental engineers. They make science, nature, and clever designs. They ask, what if we borrow ideas from trees and turn them into clean energy machines? Let me introduce Sam, a 7th grader who loves science. One night, Sam dreams he flies over a desert. In his dream, he sees forests springing up from dry sand. If you plant small seeds that hold water like little sponges, you can turn desert green. The seeds open when it sense rain. He feeds each new sprout. This simple trick, it makes paths in places that never saw a tree. Next, Sam visits a floating island in the middle of the ocean. If you gather plastic waste with friendly robots, you can stitch it into building blocks for new docks and homes. The robots sort bottles and bags in seconds. Then they melt the plastic under blue sun panels. Other ways, they build safe platforms for fish, farm seaweed, and even grow solar gardens. It looks like magic, but it is real engineering. In another part of town, Sam finds a tower that fights air pollution. If you suck in dirty air, then this tower filters out soot and dust. It traps harmful particles in a special honeycomb of steel and moss. Clean air drifts out the top like a gentle breeze. Birds return to the sky above. Children play under the tower. They breathe deeply, feeling like they are in a forest. Sam wonders, could I build one of these machines? The dream ends, but a question stays. What if you use math to design filters? What if you use chemistry to turn waste into fuel? What if you use robots to plant trees? These questions lead to experiments in a real lab. You can mix water, sand, and power to create tiny miracles that help our planet shine. Now, imagine you are an environmental engineer. You draw blueprints on a paper. You test models in a small wind tunnel. You walk into a polluted city and see a tower rising above the rooftop. You sail to the plastic island you helped build. You watch a desert bloom green under the seeds you design. Each idea starts with, if I do this, then that will happen. This is the magic of green engineering. If you love solving puzzles, protecting animals, or saving forests, then environmental engineering is waiting for you. You can learn about renewable energy, water cleaning, and soil repair. You can join clubs, read stories, and try simple experiments at home. Imagine working with friends from around the world, testing ideas in a lab, and winning awards at science fairs. One day you might invent a gadget that cleans your whole street. It all begins with a curious question. Open your mind and ask, if I try this, then how could it change our future? That question starts your journey.